Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this tutorial, I will explain a direct and effective way to enhance security in an Active Directory environment, where I will show you how to restrict user logins to specific computers. This is especially useful in organizations where specific users need access only to specific devices for their tasks, or where access to sensitive systems must be strictly controlled. This method is easy to implement and provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that users only access the computers they are authorized to use. Whether you run a small business network or a larger enterprise, this technology can help you enforce stricter access policies with minimal effort. To get started, open Active Directory Users and Computers. Then select the OU where the user you want to restrict to specific devices is located. Right-click on the user you want to restrict and select Properties. In User Properties window, go to the Account tab, then click the Logon To button. In the Logon Workstations window, you'll see that this user has the option to log on to all computers. To restrict him, select the following computers option, then enter the name of the computer you want to restrict, and click the Add button. This step means that this user is only allowed to log on to the computer named Win11 PC only, and is not allowed to log on to any other computer. Click OK, then Apply, and OK to save the changes made to this user. Open Client Computers, and open the Command Prompt window, and enter the command host name to find out the name of the computer. This computer is Win11, which means that when you log out of this computer, this user named Test1 will not be allowed to log in. Because this computer is not in the list of names that this computer is allowed to log into. This means if we include the name of this computer in the list of computers allowed for this user, it will log in directly. Go back to Active Directory, and from the User Properties, add the computer name Win11. And save these changes. And open the client computer again, and log in. The login will be immediate, since this computer name is in the list that this user is allowed to access. This feature ensures that the user can only log into the specific devices listed under his account, which enhances security within your organization, restricts unauthorized access, and ensures that users can only log into their designated devices. By implementing this method, you are taking a proactive step towards protecting your network and sensitive data. It is a simple yet powerful feature that can make a big difference in maintaining a secure and well-managed IT environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge, and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos on IT solutions and tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.